So welcome back students. So now let us move on to the first exercise problem from this chapter, Subsidiary books. Enter the following transaction in the purchase book of Subsidiary Electric Company which deals in electric goods. 2017, 5th of April, purchase from Karthik Electric Company on credit 10 electric iron box at Rs 2500 each and 5 electric stoves at Rs 2000 each. On April 19th, purchased on credit from Ketan Electric Company 3 electric heaters at Rs 6000 each. April 25th, purchased from Polar Electric Company on credit 10 fans at Rs 2000 each. 29th of April, purchased from M & Co for cash 10 electric stoves at Rs 3000 each. So the first point which we need to remember is that only credit purchase of goods should be recorded in the purchase day book. So in this case, the last transaction, April 29th, purchase from M & Co for cash. This transaction will not appear. We have to omit this transaction. Why? It is a cash transaction. Cash transactions will be recorded in the cash book and not in day book. So shall we do this problem? Okay. So this is the format. So purchase day book of Subsidiary Electric Company. Date, particulars, invoice number, LF, amount, details and the total amount. Okay. This is the total column. So shall we begin now? So 2017 April. 5th of April, you have the Karthik Electric Company. Karthik Electric Company. So we have purchased 10 electric iron boxes. You have to write the description underneath. Electric iron boxes at Rs 2500 each. 10 into 2500, 25,000. This has to be entered here in the detail column. Then 5 electric stoves on the same date from the same person, Karthik Electric Company. So 5 electric stoves at Rs 2000 each. 2000 each. So they didn't mention about the invoice number. We are going to leave that invoice number column and LF column blank. They didn't give anything related to that. No reference number being given in the question. So leave it blank. 5 into 2000, 10,000. So what is the total for Karthik Electric Company? 25,000 plus 10,000. 35,000 should be written in the outer column. You able to understand? So first you will write the date, 5th of April, Karthik Electric Company. Under that, so what have been, what is product which has been purchased? 10 electric iron boxes at Rs 2500 each. So 10 into 2500, 25,000. Put it in the detail column. Then 5 electric stoves at Rs 2000 each. 5 into 2000, 10,000. So what is the total for Karthik Electric Company? 35,000 to be written in the total column. The next one on 19th of April. So 19th, Ketan Electric Company. Ketan Electric Company. 3 electric heaters. At Rs 6000 each. So what is the total? 3 into 6000, 18,000. The same 18,000 to be written in the outer column. You don't have anything else for that Ketan. Only 3 electric heaters. Then comes 25th of April. Polar Electric Company. Polar Electric Company. 10 fans at rupees 2,000 each. Ten into 2,000, 20,000. You don't have anything else. So draw a line, put the total in the outer column. Now just look into the total column. For Karthik Electric Company, the total is 35,000. For Ketan, it is 18,000. For Polar Electric, it is 20,000. So 35,000 plus 18,000 plus 20,000. So you will be getting 73,000. That is the total of purchase day book. So purchase account. So nature of balance is debit. Purchase account debit 73,000. So let us look into the problem once again. So purchase day book of Ms. Subsidiary Electric Company. And you have the date, particulars, invoice, LF, amount, details and the total amount. So you are going to leave that invoice and LF column blank. So 5th of April 2017, Karthik Electric Company, 10 electric iron boxes at rupees 2,500 each and 5 electric stoves at rupees 2,000 each. So 10 into 2,500, 25,000. Put it in the detail column. Similarly, 5 into 2,000, 10,000. So you are going to add both 25,000 and 10,000. Write the total in the total column, 35,000. Then comes on 19th of April, Ketan Electric Company, 3 electric heaters at rupees 6,000 each. 3 into 6,000, 18,000. So you don't have any other product, just the electric heaters alone. So 18,000 again, put it in the total column. Similarly, on 25th, the Polar Electric Company, 10 fans at rupees 2,000 each, 20,000. Then you don't have anything else, put the 20,000 there. Last transaction, 29th of April. It is a cash transaction. It will not appear in the day book. Right? Purchase from M and Co for cash. You have to ignore that. Only credit transactions will be recorded in the day book. So you have to omit April 29th transaction. Purchase from M and Co for cash. 10 electric stoves at rupees 3,000 each will not appear in the day book. So omit that. Is that clear, children? Let us move on to the next problem. The next problem. From the following transactions, write up the sales day book of Ms. Ram and Co, a stationery merchant. So 2017, 1st of January, sold to Anbu and Co on credit 20 reams of white paper at rupees 150 per ream. So this will be recorded in the sales day book. It is a credit transaction. 2nd of Jan. Sold to Jagadish and Sons on credit 6 dozen pens at rupees 360 per dozen. Again, this is a credit sale. This will appear in the sales day book. 10th of Jan. Sold old newspapers for cash. Old newspapers. It is not a stationery. So this will not come in the sales day book. Omit the transaction. 10th of Jan, omit the transaction. 15th of Jan, sold on credit Ms. Elango and Company 10 drawing boards at rupees 170 per piece. This is a credit transaction, so this will appear in the sales day book. 20th of Jan, sold to Kani and Co 4 writing tables. So just look into the title. Ram and Co is a stationery merchant. Writing table is a furniture. This will not come. Able to understand? And it is also a cash transaction. So this will not appear in the day book. So please omit Jan 10th sold old newspapers for cash and 20th Jan sold to Kani and Co 4 writing tables at 1520 per table for cash. These two transactions are cash transactions. It will not appear. It is not only a cash transaction. Even then, selling of scrap, old newspaper is not a stationery. Similarly, writing table is a furniture. It is not a stationery. Able to understand? So, shall we move on to the solution now? So, Jan 1st, sold to Anbu and Co. 20 reams of paper at rupees 150 per ream. So 20 into 150, 3000. Then on 2nd of January, sold to Jagdish and Sons on credit 6 dozen pens at rupees 360 per dozen. 6 into 360, it is 2160. 10th of Jan, sold all newspapers for cash, will not come. Omit that. January 15th, sold on credit to Ms. Elango and Company 10 drawing boards at rupees 170 per piece. So Elango and Company 10 drawing boards at rupees 170 per piece. 10 into 170, 1700. And last Jan 20th, sold to Kani and Company 4 writing tables at rupees 1520 per table for cash. This transaction will not appear. Only 3 transactions, Jan 1st, 2nd and 15th. So what is the total? 3000 plus 2160 plus 1700. So you get the total as 6860. Sales account credit rupees 6860. This is the total of the sales account.